In a tragic and disturbing case, Veronique John stands accused of killing her 11-year-old son and seriously injuring her 7-year-old daughter before attacking her husband. The events unfolded in June 2023, when Veronique allegedly carried out these violent acts, leaving a trail of devastation in her wake. Following the attacks, she reportedly went to a car wash and stabbed her husband before alerting the authorities to the horrific incidents that had taken place. As the legal proceedings progress, it has been determined that Veronique is currently unfit to stand trial for the charges of murder and attempted murder that have been brought against her. The court has heard troubling details about her state of mind leading up to the tragic events, with reports indicating that she expressed feelings of anger and tension. Additionally, it was revealed that she had searched online for information about being charged with murder in the UK, further underscoring the complexity and gravity of the situation. Veronique's reported statements to the police, where she mentioned concerns about her husband taking the children away from her, shed light on a possible motive behind the violent acts. The court has emphasized the importance of an objective assessment of the evidence by the jury as the trial continues to unfold, highlighting the need for a thorough and impartial examination of the circumstances surrounding this heartbreaking case. According to court proceedings, Veronique John phoned emergency services and confessed, "I just killed my 2 kids," following a Kian at FA attack on her 11-year-old son and 7-year-old daughter. Prosecutors at Nottingham Crown Court alleged that John murdered her children, Ethan and Elizabeth, because she did not want her husband to have custody of them. The trial of facts hearing revealed that John stabbed Ethan over 20 times and caused brain damage to Elizabeth before later going to a car wash in a dressing gown to stab her husband, Nathan John, in the stomach. Upon returning home, John dialed 999 and informed the operator of the tragic events, stating, "I am calling to report I just killed my 2 kids." She reportedly told the police officers who arrived at her Stoke-on-Trent residence that they should shoot her if they had a gun, asserting, "I am not a monster. He was going to take them from me." The court learned that the day before the fatal incidents, John had been arrested for assaulting her husband with a piece of wood while their children were preparing for bed, allegedly due to suspicions of infidelity. Prosecutors detailed the significant challenges in John's relationship with her husband and her resistance to him having an internet-enabled phone. Prosecutor Peter Greaves-Smith described how John's anger had been escalating in the lead-up to the children's deaths, emphasizing that the tragic events were not sudden, but rather the culmination of building tension. He stated, "What happened on the 11th of June didn't come out of the blue. Tension grew in the days before. That day, she just erupted, killed her children, and attacked Nathan." After hearing plea for 5 days, jury took approx 40 minutes to reach to the decision John, from St. Vincent, is unable to participate in her trial due to mental health issues. She's receiving treatment at a secure hospital for conditions like PTSD, personality disorders, and depression. Via video link, she was informed that she'll be detained for an indefinite period. The judge, Mr. Justice Chowdhury, said the duration of her detention would depend on her progress and might last for many years or even her entire life. The exact length of her detention will be determined by others.